We are Healthcare Inspectorate Wales. We are the independent inspectorate and regulator of healthcare in Wales. We inspect NHS and independent healthcare services in Wales to check people are receiving good care. Our inspections may be announced or unannounced. We look at how services comply with regulations, meet healthcare standards, and meet other legislation, professional standards, and guidance as applicable. We use the regulations and standards to make judgments about the quality, safety, and effectiveness of healthcare services. Our goal is to be a trusted voice which influences and drives improvement in healthcare. And our purpose is to check that healthcare services are provided in a way which maximizes the health and well-being of people. We place people at the heart of what we do. We are independent, inclusive, decisive, objective, and proportionate. Our priorities are to focus on the quality of healthcare provided to people and communities as they access, use, and move between services. To adapt our approach to ensure we are responsive to emerging risks to patient safety. To work collaboratively to drive system and service improvement within healthcare. And to support and develop our workforce to enable them, and the organization, to deliver our priorities. Want to find out more? Visit our website